It is a lovely, lovely Tuesday morning out there. You look at the temperatures, mostly 50s and 60s. One spot, Crystal River in the 40s. So we had a hard time getting rid of those 40s into Citrus County this morning, but they're really the only county that's got those. Brooksville, you're next at 51. Notice the upper 40s, though, do go from Gainesville to Jacksonville over to Tallahassee. So it's like a little cold or cool pocket of air in the northern part of our state. We're kind of sitting in the 50s and 60s, and then South Florida starting to warm up 73, 74 degrees this morning. Look at the difference, though. In Central Florida, anywhere from about 4 to 6 degrees warmer. Orlando is actually about 9 degrees warmer than yesterday. Again, when you get a front to come through and you knock those overnight lows down, eventually it all just kind of modifies up a little bit. And that's what we're going to do over the next couple of days, bring these overnight lows back up. High pressure is in control now. As you go to the upper levels of the atmosphere, we're going to stream through a couple of those high clouds. Saw them yesterday, no big deal. I mean, this weather pattern itself is just very, very quiet. And when you got high pressure anchored like this in the Gulf of Mexico, nothing is going to happen until we make this move. So I'm going to show you the rainfall forecast for the next 3 days. That does not look very promising, does it? Well, does it get better over the next 7? Not really. No, it doesn't. Now, there are signs. Okay, so in about 10 to 14 days, maybe we get some rain, but folks, that's a long time from now, so it's just going to continue to be relatively quiet going right through even this upcoming weekend. As far as the tropics go, also very quiet, and November is typically a quiet month in the tropics, kind of like June is. You know, you're kind of wrapping things up. Not that something couldn't form. If something was to develop, typically it would be in the Caribbean or the Gulf, as you know, the hurricane season kind of backs itself into this corner, not so much in the Atlantic or way out to the east. So nothing expected in the tropics over the next 7 days. And, well, not much more than a raindrop here expected over the next 7 days as well. So mostly sunny, warm again today. Again, 81's the normal high. We go 85, maybe 86 in a couple of spots. We're about 5 degrees above normal for those high temperatures. 65 degrees tonight. It'll be clear. It'll be cool. And then tomorrow, the sunshine, the warmth, your Wednesday high. Notice we keep tacking a degree on to those afternoon highs. It's like 85, then 86, and then eventually end of the week, 87. Seas running a foot or less. So for boaters, better today than it was yesterday. I like to see that. Our high tide is about 926 in St. Pete this morning. With your next 7 days, really mid to upper 80s. Not much more than a 20% rain chance, but a lot of activity, a lot of outdoor activities on Saturday, of course, because of Veterans Day, and the weather looks warm and toasty, but it looks good. Okay.
All right, Dave. Thank you. Good morning, everyone.